All right, here we are on Peter's remora now. Peter has just had a Garmin Kraken electric installed on this thing, and we literally have no idea how to use it. So Peter reckons he's read the quick reference guide. So yes, my confidence levels at this stage are not high that we know what we're doing. But we'll see how it goes. All right, we've got to figure out how to deploy this baby first. So how many pounds of thrust on this thing, Peter? 100 pounds of thrust. And this is one of, if not the only, electrics that you can buy that will actually go into reverse as it needs to maintain a spot lock. So it's a very intelligent little piece of kit.
So, in theory, now do you think that's far enough down?
Yeah, I reckon it is. Yep.
Okay, so then, let's hit it with some power.
All right, what have we got in here? Some big batteries.
We got lots of battery.
All right.
So in theory, we're now powered up. We should. Okay.
There's the on button.
There's the on button.
This is no joke, folks. We're working it out right now. No power. Have you got some sort of isolator switch that you need to turn on?
That's it. Oh, hang on. There's also a 60 amp fuse here.
If it's a circuit breaker one, you might need to push it on.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
Circuit breaker is on.
Got a beep, that's good.
Okay. And yeah, battery is saying good.
We've got
looks
some
like it's
lights.
booting up.
Righto.
And here's the remote control.
All right, let's see what we can do with this baby.
That's right. Power on is here.
No joke, ladies and gentlemen, we have never tried this before. This is the first attempt.
Manual. We've got satellites.
All right, we've got some green lights here. This looks good. Yep.
It's running.
Now we're moving. There she goes. It's like a little robot for the front of your boat. Look at that.
Going backwards now.
Okay, now you got to take us in, Peter. Take us into the fishing ground. Jesus. Peter's almost flipped the boat with this thing. Did you say 100 pounds or 100 horsepower?
That's 100 pounds thrust.
Jesus. So... Seriously, I almost just got thrown out of the boat there, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, I'm going to engage it again.
All right, let's go over here.
I'm just trying to get it to point the right direction. Okay.
We have no... Oh, here we go, here we go. Look at this bad boy. This thing flies. This is hilarious. We are moving forward at quite a rate of speed for an electric engine here. All right, Peter, to the fishing grounds.
To the fishing grounds. Oh, hang on, I've got to figure out how to slow it down.
Over there. Look at the speed excuse me, lads. Look at the speed we're traveling at here. That is not the engine running of the boat. I mean, the engine is running, but it's in neutral. So we're dragging the engine. And this thing's absolutely flying. And Peter's potentially going to crash us into something, but...
Well, I just put it on the spot lock.
Yeah, we'll go in closer, then put it on the spot lock. Let's try that.
Trolling motor compass not calibrated. Okay. Is that happening at the moment, or do we need to select it in some way? On the remote, select blah 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 compass.
Right, please wait, here we go.
This looks like
Screen is...
That looks like it, doesn't it?
Progressing.
So there, see, it's going through 360 degrees to calibrate itself.
Yep, good.
Message appears on the screen while the training calibration. You should wait until instructed to begin. Using a foot pedal remote control or outboard motor to steer. Following on screen, okay. It's now that. So then using foot pedal remote control or outboard motor to steer, turn the boat 1.5 times in either direction and calibrate the compass. Okay, nice. So Alright,
I think you need to do it with the electric though.
Oh, it says you can use either. It's just the boat's got to turn.
Okay. Maybe just use the electric, that'd be the easiest way. Oh, either way.
1.5 times.
Alright, we're following the instructions here, ladies and gentlemen. Bear with us. Trying to calibrate this compass.
What's it say on the road? Turn the boat 1.5 times in either direction. Keep the boat level and steady while turning. So we'll just do this.
We're doing a couple of donuts here. The Kraken, the mighty Kraken. Alright, so we're in a lot of current at the moment. Decent amount of wind, so we're going to chuck the spot lock on this thing and just see if it's going to hold us in position. It pulls very hard. 3 knots against the current. Alright, anywhere here, Peter, would be good. Spot lock is on. Now let's see what this baby can do. Alright, we'll see if it stabilizes here. So far, so good. We'll have a fish, see if we can catch something.
It's taking a little while to establish the lock and everything.
Yep. It'll pull you across quite well. Like, it's surprising how responsive.
That's it. That's the spot now.
Right. Oh, so it's taking us back to the spot. Right. So Peter
Figured it out.
put the spot lock on, and we drifted off, and now it's sort of like woken up, and now it's taken us back exactly to the spot. So it says distance 0 feet.
Yep.
Wow, that's amazing. And now it's going to hold us here.
Yeah, now it'll show us our variation, but it'll basically.
All right.
I'm
so
expecting
give me
it
a look
to
at that,
stay
Peter.
within 0.
So you guys can see that 0 foot, 1 foot.
0 foot, and then if you look at the motor control, you can see it spinning up the power.
Yep.
Cutting it. Yeah. So it's playing with the power. It's playing with the direction to keep us. Well, we're 3 foot off at the moment, and it'll keep working on it and try to bring that down. It'll try to bring it down to 0.
So the current's roaring here. You know, it's pretty windy, and we're consistently staying within 3 feet of the original destination that we put the spot lock on. So pretty impressive. Next test, we'll be getting this baby out to the fad.
Let's see if we've got any
and seeing what it
fish
can do
around.
out there.